Sponsored by True Tech Tools. Quality tools, essential support. TrueTechTools.com.
So I got a couple of my Testo sensors today. I've got the 510i, I've got the 605i, and the 905i. And I've got everything trending, and I figured I'd walk out in the backyard and see what we get for range. Looks like we just lost several of them. We still have the 510i in the list. So there we go. Just lost the 510i. So I don't know. I was down there in the grass. Yeah, you like all of Whiskey's toys? I was down there in the grass, and we just got the 510i back. Just lost it again. Just got it back. And what, 20 feet from the devices, I got them back, but I lost them out there at the edge of the grass somewhere. Anyway, that's pretty basic stuff. I'll do some more stuff when I get the rest of the probes, the refrigeration kit and whatnot. So far, I'm, just got them, so we'll play around with them a little bit. The 905 is a temperature only, and I thought it was a piercing probe at the front, but it's not. It's a lot like the probe that's on the end of the combustion analyzers. The 605 is a temperature and humidity, and it's got a guard on the end of it, and then it's got this little rubber collar that can come off, and I'm guessing that's so you can get a nice tight fit into the duct hole or whatever you're trying to do. The tip of it will actually turn and lock or protect the sensor, and then you can turn it and it opens up again. I don't know if you can see that, but it turns and covers it, turns and opens it. And then the 510 is pretty basic. It's got a magnet on the back, very similar to my other 510. What I might do is actually do a comparison between my old 510 and my 510i here at some point. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.